Explore its beauty and excitement through unforgettable tours, offering both adventure and relaxation for every type of traveler. Embark on the legendary Voyage to the Falls boat tour, where you'll experience the awe-inspiring power of Niagara Falls up close as you venture into the heart of its thundering waters. When dusk falls, the Falls Fireworks Cruise offers an enchanting evening under the stars, illuminated by spectacular fireworks over the waterfall. For a dry yet thrilling ride, take the Whirlpool Freedom Jet Dry Tour. Or embrace the adventure on the Whirlpool Wet Jet Tour, navigating the exhilarating rapids of the Niagara River. Experience the heart of Niagara Falls with the journey behind the falls. Walk the lower observation deck for an unforgettable view at the base of the majestic waterfall. Combine this adventure with visits to the Skylon Tower and the power station on our comprehensive walking and boat tours. Elevate your experience with our Niagara Falls Canada helicopter tour, offering panoramic views that will take your breath away. We offer day and evening tours from Toronto, including custom and luxury options, ensuring a personalized Niagara Falls experience, perfect for half-day visits or small group adventures. Book your tour today to experience the majesty of Niagara Falls. Visit our website or call us to plan your adventure. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Happy travels!